I'm an architect, and on this channel I print the coolest trending designs you can find. I've already uploaded a separate video on my channel showing all my printer settings, you can find the link right here in the description. I print a lot of flexible models because they're fun, super easy to make, and the results are always amazing. Plus, these kinds of models are still trending worldwide in 2026. Don't forget to subscribe to support me and give me that extra energy. I create the figures and share their stories with you, so hit subscribe and be the first to see every new model I make. I really think 3D printing and painting can be both a fun hobby and a full-time job. It's so enjoyable. Here's what I do. After checking my settings and taking notes in the software, I double-check everything, save the file to a USB stick and plug it into my printer. And that's it. Magic starts. You're watching the printing process right now, and it took me about 2 hours to print this model. By the way, I had also printed a moving pumpkin before. If you'd like to check it out, I've dropped the link in the description. You're watching the whole process right now. It's so satisfying, right? If you want to print faster and with fewer errors, go watch my earlier videos. I've shared all my exact settings there. Alright, look at this, done. Wow, I love it. Now it's going next to its little buddy. The next video is going to be really exciting, so don't forget to subscribe so you'll be the first to see it. Thanks for watching.